So this is Hyatt House Miami Airport, room 249. So this is actually a 1-bedroom, 2 beds, suite. You come in, you got the kitchen area, coffee maker, got your dishwasher. You got soap, sink, comes with a nice microwave. Got your utensils in there. Little cooktop. Oh, pots. No pots, pans. A little mini fridge right here. Comes with a toaster. You got your silverware, well not your silverware, your dishes. This is the living room. Say hey guys. Say hey. So this is but this is actually a pull-out bed underneath here. And then this is the 2 beds. TV. And then this is the bathroom. So this is actually the accessible room. They didn't have any other rooms available, so they gave us the accessible room. Yeah. It's the gym. The pool over there. The laundry room. Got 3 commercial washers, 4 commercial dryers. They cost $2 a piece. You got your 3 computers. Got your little printer right there. And that is the business center. And you got all your little pamphlets. What you want to do in Miami, huh? All right.